summer recess. Hey, I'm Amber. Are you ready for recess, parents? Today we're making a project called DIY Flower Coasters. This craft is all about exploration and discovery, so let the kids get outside and explore the environment around them. In the spring, maybe they find some flowers to incorporate into their coasters, and in the autumn, some fall leaves. Whatever it is, this is a perfect project for the whole year round. To get started, grab yourself a microwave-safe bowl and mix together the baking soda, cornstarch, and warm water until they're all dissolved. We got it all mixed up. Now I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for 40 seconds and then I'll come back and stir it a bit more. We'll keep doing that over and over again until this forms a soft dough. Not ready yet. We're gonna zap it a couple more times. We're almost there. And if you don't have a microwave, don't worry. You can also do this on the stovetop over low heat. This is a great chance to do little tasks around the kitchen, like cleaning those dirty windows. All right, this is looking good. Now we're gonna use a rolling pin to roll out our dough. I'm rolling this out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Make sure it's pretty uniform across so that it bakes evenly. Now I've got my cookie cutter and my baking tray, and I'm gonna cut out my coasters. All right, I've got 3 on my cookie sheet. I'm gonna go put them in the toaster oven at 215 degrees for about an hour. My coaster is out of the oven and cooled, and now I'm ready to add some pressed flowers to decorate it. Now, I'll be honest, I ordered these pressed flowers online, but this is a great chance for you to go outside with the kids and discover the plants in your own yard. If you don't have a yard, that's fine. You can cut out flowers and create your own using construction paper. Before adding your flowers, paint on a thin layer of decoupage glue directly onto the clay. All right, I brushed on my Mod Podge and I'm gonna put the flowers in place. Once I've done that, brush on another layer to cover the flowers and the entire coaster. Remember, even though it looks white when you brush it on, the glue will dry clear. I let my coaster dry overnight and it's all done. I had so much fun making this project. I hope you did too.